Okay, y'all, I'm leaving the Mattel store. We got lots of goodies that I will share. But I want to share with y'all this funny story. So I'm checking out, and one of the cashiers, she's like, "Are you a YouTuber?" And I'm always cautious because, I don't want people to think I'm like a scalper and like reselling dolls or whatever. So I was like, yeah, I do sometimes. She's like, well, we saw this video and we really liked it. And we saw how you were rebodying the dolls on different bodies. We thought it was so cool. I was like, yeah, that was me. So, hey, I'm famous at the Mattel store. Okay, so now I want to show you guys some close-ups. So another FYI, I didn't take video in the store, but all of these dolls were on the limit 1 per style per day. So unless I come back another week, I won't get any type of duplicates. And gas is high, y'all. So I actually only went to the store because I was heading toward that side of town that I don't live on, because it takes like 45 minutes from my home. And since I was kind of in between, I was like, well, I can try to go there and we'll see. But anyway, here's the very beautiful Diwali Barbie. Love, 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 love her. Always when I can find dolls of color, especially dolls of different ethnicities, you gotta get it, you gotta get it. So then I'm gonna show you the re-release of Mariah. So like I was saying before, she has much thinner eyebrows than before, and this one has a lot more blonde into her hair. And then this is the beautiful holiday Barbie. And that beautiful Desiree sculpt that's in the dark brown that doesn't normally get that color. So I'm taking it out the sun so you can see how rich and dark she really is. And then I liked her hair. Now some of the ones I've seen in store, the curls have been a lot tighter. So I like that I can really filter through which ones I wanted and pick out the best. And then the last one, a doll that I really, really wanted, even though I did not know who this writer was. I think the doll is really beautiful. So this is Isabel Amande, and that's her book right there. And I just like her because she's very beautiful. So now I can do a little research on her to see who she is. But again, whenever I can find dolls of different ethnicities and different looks to add to the collection, I'm gonna do it. So that was my doll. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna show you a little bit about my doll. So I went to the Mattel store that's in Fort Worth, Texas. So this location recently opened up earlier this year or maybe late last year, I can't remember, but it's been closed for well over 5, if not more, definitely well before the pandemic. So being able to have a now Mattel store in my state and nearby city, I was really happy. So I was actually asked to go to the store by a doll friend, Adrian DeLuna. And first, I wasn't really excited to go because it was kind of far off. So I told him probably not today. And then by the time I changed my mind, he had told me that another one of his doll friends had went and then found the doll that he wanted me to look for. So I really felt bad. But he didn't take it that way. He understood. But I was actually doing some errands and happened to be closer on this side. So from my home, it's about 45 minutes. And I was kind of like, I'm not quite a midway point, but I was on a highway that I normally don't have to pass through, which is how you get to the store. But anywho, this is my doll. So I got the second edition of the Mariah doll. So she was $37.50. I got the holiday Barbie in the Desiree sculpt. She was $22.50. And then I got the Inspiring Women doll, Isabella Linde. She was $17.50. And then the Diwali Barbie, she was $20. So the total was $195 minus a half off discount plus tax was $105.56. So that was my dollar.